Hey guys, are you paying too much for your home loan? The thing is that most people do not know what the cheapest home loan rates are available right now because banks keep changing their promotion and it's seriously a headache to compare them all. That's why in today's video, I'll show you a free tool that helps you check the home loan rates of every bank in Singapore instantly. And the best part, it takes less than 10 minutes to know if you are really getting the best deal. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Darren and on my channel, I share tips on personal finance, retirement planning, smart ways to save money, and sometimes I'll also share my travel itinerary. So if you're thinking of buying a property or refinancing your existing loan, then this video will definitely help you out. Quick disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. If not, then please consult a licensed financial planner. Before I share the website, let's quickly cover the basics of home loan rates in Singapore. There are generally two types of packages. The first are fixed rate package where your rates are locked in for a certain number of years, usually between 1 to 3 years. Such packages give you stability, but they might not always be the cheapest. And the second are floating rate packages where your loans is pegged to benchmarks like SORA or the bank's fixed deposit rates. These packages often start low, but they can go up if interest rates increase. Now, besides just looking at the interest rates, you also want to pay attention to a few key conditions such as the lock-in period. This is how long you need to stay with the bank before you can switch packages. Free conversions. This basically tells you when you can reprice your loan within the same bank without any penalty, as well as fees such as the full redemption fee, which is the penalty if you pay off the entire loan early, and the partial redemption fee, which applies if you make partial repayments within the lock-in period. All these are important details that you should also consider besides solely basing your decisions on interest rates. With that out of the way, let me show you how I would personally compare home loan rates in 2025. Full disclosure, I've partnered with Cashew, an online mortgage brokerage platform that lets you compare rates across all banks in Singapore. All you need to do is sign up for a free account and you'll instantly get access to the latest home loan rates. You can click the link below or scan the QR code over here to sign up. And just so you know, every sign up supports this channel at no cost to you. Once you've signed up, you land on this dashboard. If you prefer doing your own research, I suggest starting with the recommender tool. Think of this as a home loan screener across all the major banks in Singapore. By default, all banks are selected, but if you only want to compare a few banks, then you can uncheck this and add back the ones you want. Personally, I prefer leaving all banks selected. That way you get the full picture. Next, you select the property type. Private, HDB or commercial. Then choose whether your property is already completed or still BUC, which is building under construction. For example, new launches will fall under the BUC category. Step 3 is to choose whether this loan is for a new purchase or for refinancing. Step 4 is to select the type of rate you prefer. Fixed rate, floating rate, or if you are open to both. And the last step, key in your loan amount. Choose your minimum and maximum lock-in period and your preferred fixed rate period. Cashew will then pull out the most relevant options for you side by side across all banks. It's fast, it's simple, and you can see the actual numbers in just a few clicks. Now, whenever you find a rate that fits your needs, just click the Save button. You'll then be able to view all your shortlisted packages under the Recommendation tab. And if you want to understand the terms and conditions better, simply click the WhatsApp button to ask any home loan related questions and get answers in an instant. For example, I tried asking what TDSR meant and even how SORA is calculated, and I got clear explanations right away. Anyway, once you're happy with your shortlist, just head back to the recommendation section and click Start Application to begin the process. By the way, if you're unsure about the terms and conditions of your current loan, for example, whether you're still within the lock-in period, you can simply click on the Smart Refi button. Cashew will then use AI-powered analysis to instantly extract the key details from your existing loan contract, compare them with the current market rates, and give you immediate recommendations along with potential savings. Just for fun, I uploaded my existing home loan documents into Smart Refi, and after analyzing the documents for a few minutes, it showed that I could consider refinancing my home loan and save potentially $760 a year, as my current interest rate was 1.95% as compared to 1.56% per annum now. I was also given a home loan assessment report for free, a home loan scorecard, some recommendations, as well well as the fees and penalties that I would incur should I proceed with a refinancing. By the way guys, just so you know, Cashew is also launching a cashback promo for new clients. Do take note that this is only available until the 31st of October 2025. So you can see that if you take a loan of $1 million, not only will you get a competitive rate, you also get an estimated cash reward of $400 as well as legal subsidies of up to $3,000 from participating banks. You can find the details in the description and comment section down below. This is definitely worth a look if you're planning to take up a loan soon. So guys, if you're thinking about refinancing or getting a new home loan, definitely check Cashew out. It's completely free to use and I will leave my affiliate link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this video useful, hit that like button and share this video with anyone you think is paying too much for their mortgage.